Okay, you guys were all shook when I showed you my before pics of my brows, and trust me, I was shook too. I could not believe it. But here are my brows with completely no product on them. I have no eyebrow gel or powder or pencil or anything. The rest of my makeup is done, but not my brows. And I want to show you guys how I actually do my brows and fill them in, because yes, even though I've had a major brow transformation, I still do my brows every day. So let's get started. So first things first, I like to use a brow gel first, and this is the One Size brow gel in soft brown. I really like this. I think it's Patrick Starr's brand, and I'm just going to brush them through my brows. And when I do this, guys, I really try to make sure to brush up with the brow gel to make my brows as fluffy as possible. Okay, so brow gel is done. You could totally stop here, but I definitely like to fill in some of the sparse areas with pencil, but I do wait a couple minutes to let the brow gel set, because if not, it'll smudge and get weird and not be cute. So I go do my thing for like 5-10 minutes and then come back to finish my brows. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Cold Brew. This is my favorite little brow pencil, and it's literally like $6 or $7. I don't know, it's so cheap, and I don't think brow pencils are worth the high price tag. So this one's the best. So now I'm just gonna fill in some of the sparse areas. Okay, and here are the finished brows, nice and full and fluffy, but still pretty natural looking, I think, right? So, love these products, love my Rogaine. I also did a really quick eyeshadow look. It's like my go-to every day, and it's with like a $3 palette. So if you want that tutorial, let me know, but thanks for watching, guys.